In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change date format in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the settings that control how dates and times appear across your tasks, calendars, and notifications, so your workspace reads the way you expect. Start from your ClickUp workspace and head to the overview area. You can do this from your team space or from my workspace. Overview is a reliable starting point because it gives you a high-level view and the standard top navigation you'll need. This keeps everything consistent as you move into your personal preferences. Next, click your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. That avatar opens your personal menu, which is where ClickUp keeps user-specific options. If you're managing multiple workspaces, this menu ensures you're adjusting preferences for your own account display, not changing anything for other users. From that menu, choose Settings. This opens your profile settings page. Think of this as your control center for how ClickUp looks and behaves for you. Nothing you do here will alter task data. It simply affects how information is presented on your screen. On the settings page, find the section labeled Time and Date Format and open it. This is where ClickUp centralizes your regional and formatting preferences. If your team spans different countries, it's especially helpful for avoiding confusion about which number represents the day or the month. You'll see the time format option first. Click it to select the style you prefer, typically 12-hour with AM and PM or 24-hour time. Choose what you're most comfortable with and what your team commonly uses. Clear time formatting helps prevent scheduling miscommunications, especially when lining up due times for sprints, meetings, or handoffs. Now click the date format option. Here you can select the structure that matches your region or your reporting needs, such as month, day, month, year, or year, month, day. If your work involves lots of sorting or exporting, the year, month, day format can make chronological lists cleaner, while region-specific styles can reduce day versus month mix-ups. Pick the one that makes dates instantly readable to you. Your changes will apply to how dates and times display across your ClickUp experience, including task due dates, calendars, and dashboard widgets. After updating, take a quick glance at a few tasks or your calendar to confirm everything looks right and feels intuitive. That's it. You've adjusted your time and date format in ClickUp, ensuring your workspace reflects your preferred way of reading and organizing time.